Good morning, everyone. Today I am here to present my activity on origin of cultivated plants. I wish that everyone will able to learn from my presentation. Nikolai Vavilov, basically a geneticist and a plant breeder, approached the problems of cultivated plant species in terms of their diversity. Vavilov considered that as a rule, the primary foci of crop origins were in mountain regions characterized by presence of dominant alleles. He summarized all his work on center of their origin and diversity. In his research, he recognized 8 primary centers of origin of cultivated crops. Here is a table presenting the 8 primary centers of Vavilov's research. The names of the centers are given in a serial order, including the names of the specific country regions. In the next block, the species number is mentioned, which tells us about the quantity of species which were recognized by Vavilov. Last column represents some examples of variety of species which were found cultivated in those particular areas. According to the last table, here is a map showing the areas of Vavilov's research. According to him, the first center is the Chinese center, including 138 species, and the main species were cereals, buckwheats, and legumes. The second is the Southeast Asia. It includes Indonesia and Philippines, including 55 species which were recognized by Vavilov and mainly were fruit crops, sugar canes, and spices. Next is the Indian Center. Indian Center included 117 species of Vavilov's research and mainly were rice, millets, and legumes. Number 3 is the Inner Asiatic Centers, including Tajikistan, Uzbekistan. Vavilov recognized 42 species from this region, mainly were wheat, rye, and herbaceous legumes. Next is the fourth region or the fourth center, that is Asia Minor. Asia Minor includes the areas of Iraq, Turkmenistan, etc., including 83 species of Vavilov's research. The main species were wheat, rye, oats, and forage legumes, including fruits, etc. Fifth center is the Mediterranean Center, including 84 species. All the border areas of the Mediterranean Sea were included in this center. The main cultivated crops are wheat, barley, forage plants, vegetables, and fruits, especially spices and ethereal oil plants. 84 species were recognized by Vavilov from this center. Sixth center of Vavilov's research is Ethiopian Center, including 38 species of his research and important for maize, with spices, fruits, and fiber plants. Seventh center is of the South Mexican and Central American Center. These were mainly for potatoes, some root crops, grain crops of Andes, vegetables, spices, and many of the drugs like tobacco and quinine were recognized by Vavilov from this region, including 45 species. The eighth center includes the Kylian Center, where only 4 species were recognized and mainly was Solarium tuberosum, and another eighth center includes the Brazilian Center, where 13 species were recognized by Vavilov, mainly was manihot, that is cassava, and arachis, that is peanut. Now, these are the slides showing an enlarged view of Vavilov Center of cultivated plants. All the centers are marked here. The areas are marked by red boundaries. You can zoom them for better understanding. I wish my presentation provided you the exact knowledge about the origin of cultivated plants by Vavilov. Thank you and have a nice day.